Take down heading as checkpoints. I need to open the browser. After opening the browser, I need to open the URL called online.actitime.com/vp/login.do. Okay. After opening the browser and this URL, I need to verify whether this particular page is opening or some other page is opening. If this particular page is opening, I want to print as or else I want to print as fail. Sorry. As soon as I open, if Facebook page is opening, I mean, I'm telling that this is a Facebook page. This is not an ActiveTime page. This is a Facebook page. But you guys are telling, no, no, sir, this is not a Facebook page. This is an ActiveTime page. How you guys are confirming that it is an ActiveTime page? How you guys are confirming that it's an ActiveTime page? I'm telling that Facebook also has username, password, and the login button. So that I'm confirming that this is a Facebook page. But you guys are not accepting it. Since the URL represents online.actitime.com, okay. Any other way how you can confirm that whether this is an ActiveTime page? By seeing this page, how you can confirm this is an ActiveTime page? HTTPS. What is HTTPS? Already she said that you don't want to tell the same thing again. By seeing the logo, yes, very good. By seeing the logo, I can confirm. Any other way? Two ways has done. One is logo and another one is URL. Two more ways are left. Where? Here, right? That is called title of the page. Very good. You might not be aware with the terminologies. That is called title. Good, Suresh. Title of the page is ActiveTime hyphen. And some text inside the page, like this, some trademark license or something. These are the different ways how I can validate whether this particular page has been opened or not. Now, if I want to check whether the page has logged in or not, uh, see, the URL will get changed. The title is getting changed. Text inside this will get changed so that I can confirm that the page has logged in. There are four different ways how you can confirm. See, normally when people are writing the manual test cases, they have to write these steps, but no one follows this. As a testing ethics, we have to write this. This whenever we navigate from one page to another page, we have to validate these checkpoints. There are four checkpoints. Title checkpoint, verifying the title of the page, title checkpoint, text checkpoint, URL checkpoint, element checkpoints like a logo or some checkbox. That is called element checkpoint. That is called element checkpoints. Element checkpoint. That is called element checkpoint. Title checkpoint, some text inside the page, URL checkpoint, and element checkpoints. See, whatever that should be written in the manual test case, every single point under the expector column in the manual test case, every single point under the expector column in the manual test case should present us checkpoints in the automation script, should present us checkpoints in the automation script. Selenium recommends four checkpoints: title, text, URL, and element checkpoints. See, for example, I'm in Bangalore, guys. Now, I want to travel to Mumbai. Throughout the way, I myself will confirm that whether I'm going in a ride Mumbai 900 kilometers, Mumbai 700, Mumbai 800, like that. Throughout the way, I have the error marks. Those are called checkpoints. Those are called checkpoints. Every single point under the expected column should present as checkpoints in the automation script. Selenium recommends four checkpoints: title, text, URL, and element check. First, let us see about the title. Let us see about the title. First, I need to open the browser, open the URL, this online.actitime.com, and verify whether this particular title is present there or not. Actitime-login. Your manual test case says that the page should contain the title as Actitime-login. Go to new, go to class, demo, title. See, whenever I want to open the browser and URL, right, I want to follow these 5 lines strictly. I hope you guys have understood these 5 lines, right? Why we are using this? Or else do I want to explain for each and every program? No need. Okay. I'm going to copy these lines of code and I am going to paste it. I have opened the browser and URL. This is how I have opened the Chrome browser and I had opened the URL. And I need to verify whether this particular this particular title is present there or not. Normally, you will have a manual test case saying that the page should contain the title as actitime-login. The page should contain the title as actitime-. I'm going to take that as a one string. That is the expected title. I'll copy from the manual test case expected title. See, after opening the page, from that page, I need to get the title. I cannot identify this element. But how to get the title of that particular page? Driver dot. In WebDriver, there is a method called get title. In WebDriver, there is a method called get title. What does this get title method returns? What does this get title method returns? It returns a string. Hold that in a string variable. Title. String. This is actual title. This is expect driver dot get title method which is used to get the title of that particular page. Get title method which is used to get the title of that particular page. See, if both the titles are same, I want to print as pass, or else I want to print as fail. In that case, what I can do? If both the titles are same, I want to print as pass, or else I want to print as fail. In that case, what I have to do? Yeah, implement if else condition. If actual title dot equals expected title system dot out dot println pass system dot out dot println fail. Run this. Open the browser, open the URL. Open the browser and URL, and it has to print as pass. Yes, it has printed as pass. How to print as this. This is how I can validate the title of the page. Let us see some notes for this. See, checkpoints verification in Selenium. Every single point under the expected column in the manual test case should present as checkpoints in the automation script. Selenium recommends 4 checkpoints: title, text, URL, and element checkpoints. Title checkpoint: comparing the expected title with the actual title from the application. To get the actual title, we can use driver.getTitle. Take down. You're just simply disturbing without any reason. I'll just remove you. That is what I'll do. Make it quick, quick. We have to see 2 more checkpoints. Totally 3 checkpoints we have to cover today. Yes, done. Okay. Let others also complete. Okay. Then take down the program. హలో. చిరు. దాని గురించి మాట్లాడించే వచ్చింది. ఏంటంటే 2 hours వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఇస్తారు. ఓకే. వాళ్ళ దగ్గర బోర్డు కొట్టుకుంటాము. అంటే బోర్డు పెట్టి ఫోటో తీసి ఇదంటే గూగుల్ నింపే నీ ఫోన్ నెంబర్ పెట్టేస్తాను. నీకే కాదు తెలియదు. Just like we are looking for significant just a minute, again, or actually, I have phone that is, and I'm not yes, I'm crazy. Okay, guys, take down heading as text checkpoints. Now I need to open the browser, open the URL called online.actitime.com slash vp slash login.do sai vijay at the rate gmail vijaya login. After logging in, I need to verify whether this particular text is present there or not. Enter time track. If this particular text is present there, I want to print as pass or else I want to print as fail. This is what I have to do. Let's start doing that. Right click, go to new, go to class, demo, text. First I need to open the browser, open the URL, log in into the page. This is how I can log in into the page. Do I need to explain this entire login scenario once again, guys? No need. Okay. Good. Without thread or sleep also it will work because I had used implicitly wait just for to see the execution slowly. I'm using that, but in real time you don't use any thread or sleep, guys. Now after that I need to verify whether this particular text is present there or not. String expected text is equal to, sorry, what happened to this? This is what text. See, if I want to get the title of the page, I had used driver dot get title. In the same way, if I want to get the text, what I can use driver dot, what I can use, guys? Any guess? To get the title of the page, I had used driver dot get title so that I have got the title of the current page. In the same way, if I want to get the text, what I can do? What? Driver dot get text. No, there is no such method. See, in a page, there is only one title. That's why there is a direct method called driver dot get title. But in a page, there are multiple text in a page. There are multiple text in a page. I need to get the text. If I want to get the text, what I have to do? First, I need to identify this element. Identify this element. Then use dot get text. Right click, inspect. Identify this element. function is equal to driver dot find element by dot x path. I have identified this. First, identify that element, and use the method dot get text. Dot get text. What does this get text method returns? What does this get text method returns? It returns a string. Hold that in a string variable. Hold that in a string variable. String actual text is equal to. If both are same, I want to print as pass, or else I want to print as fail. In that case, what I can do? If both are same, I want to print as pass, or else I want to print as fail. If if actual text dot equals expected text system dot out dot println pass else system dot out dot println fail fail done. Right click run as sorry if I run this program you will be able to opens the browser opens the URL. Login wait for 10 seconds. After waiting for 10 seconds then it will print as pass. This is how I can print as pass. See, normally to get the text, we have to identify that element. We have to identify this element and use dot get text. Identify this element and use dot get text. Okay, now identify this element and use dot get text. See, normally text will be inside td tag, span tag, div tag, b tag, p tag, such kind of tags. Whatever the tag it might be, use driver dot find element and use dot get text so that I'll be able to get the text of that. So that I'll be able to get the text of this. Let me give you some notes. Text checkpoints can be used to compare any text on the application page. Text will be generally inside the HTML tag, span, td, div, pb, such kind of tags. To get the text, we have to find the element and use the method getText. Take down this. Have you completed this? Can we quickly reconnect the meeting once? Take down this program. Please mute your, please mute your microphone and take down the no. Program quickly. We have to see one more checkpoint. That is URL checkpoint. If you are done taking down this, you can let me know. Have you completed, guys? Have you completed, guys? Yes or no? Guys, I'm asking you whether you have completed or not. Okay. Okay, make it quick, quick. Okay, next. Take down heading as URL checkpoint. URL checkpoint. Right click, go to new, go to class, demo URL. URL checkpoints. First, I need to open the browser, open the URL, and I need to log in into the application. I need to verify whether this particular URL is present there or not. If this particular URL is present there, I want to print as pass, or else I want to print as fail. In that case, what to do? That is what we are going to see. Up to logging in, waiting here, it's same as it is. First three checkpoints look similar. Okay, string expected text is equal to, sorry, expected URL is equal to, the expected URL is equal to this. See, in a page there will be only one title. That's why there is a direct method called driver.getTitle. But in a page there will be multiple text. That's why we have to use driver.findElement and use .getText. But in a page there will be only one URL. If I want to get the URL, what is the method I can use? Driver dot get current URL method is used to get the URL of the current page. Get current URL is used to get the URL of the current page, which returns a string. Hold that in a string variable. String actual URL is equal to. If both are same, if actual URL dot equals expected URL system dot out dot pass system dot out dot println fail. Run this. Open the browser, open the URL, open the browser, open the URL, browser, open the URL, username, password, click on login, wait for 10 seconds. Then print as pass. Yes. To get the URL, we can use driver.getCurrent URL. Title, text, URL, these three are similar. Element checkpoints is completely different. That we'll see in tomorrow's session, not today's session. Take down this quickly. Take down heading.